Almost done. So we need flip it. Wow. This is the continuation of our vlog for today about the barbecue grill, the authentic style. Okay. 2 feet from the fire. So no need to worry even you leave it. You go some groceries or go to buy any drinks in the liquor. So no problem. How many hours, minute? See, our rice is ready. Even you cooking, doing something, having you cooking like this, it's no worries. Okay. See, okay guys, we flip again, and then we put again oil. Okay. That's the best thing we can do. Okay guys, so we need more fire. So even you're busy or not busy, as long as you buy authentic grill with 2 feet high from the fire, so even you're busy, just look at from time to time. It's good and no problem. So almost done, a couple of minutes just to continue this vlog for today about how to save your money. Not too much ingredients, simple ingredients of the pork belly. So after this, there's another one after this barbecue in my authentic grill pan. Okay.